What's up guys, welcome back to MixedSid channel where we do cocktails and drinks, and today's cocktail guys is the Singapore Sling. Because this time I'm going to show you the best version of it. And I will show you how to make a Singapore Sling, so let's get straight on with it. So get your shaker, put some ice as we've already pre-prepared. And the first ingredient to go in guys is 50ml or just short of 2 ounces of gin. We are using the Plymouth gin today. And next up is 25ml or just short of 1 ounce of cherry brandy. So we're using the Kuiper brand. Next is 25ml or 1 ounce fresh lemon juice. The last ingredient is 25ml or just short of 1 ounce of Grenadine. So anyone that knows what Grenadine is, just a pomegranate syrup, because that's what's made from Grenadine. Oh, it's going to be very sweet. Right, put your lid on, and now give it a good shake to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. Right, get your sling glass, fill it with ice, and then just strain into it. And all you do now to complete the Singapore Sling is top up with soda water. Beautiful. And the final thing you want to do now guys is garnish it with a cherry. There we are. There we go, beautiful. One Singapore Sling. There you go guys, one Singapore Sling. How does this lovely gin cocktail taste? Absolutely beautiful. So it's certainly a sweet one because with the soda water, because it just balances out a bit, but with the Grenadine gives it that absolutely beautiful taste with the cherry brandy and the gin mixed in together. It's very, very satisfying. And that guys is the Singapore Sling. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as we're now on 419 subs. We're getting ever closer to 500, as I really can't thank you guys enough for the support throughout 2020. You've been superb. But that is all for now, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.